Hello everyone. Uh, in today's tutorial, we will cover this particular problem statement. So what will happen whenever you are creating a site, installing a particular application, and when you are trying to access these application through URL, you will face this kind of situation where your asset will not load. And there is a reason behind it, and we'll try to solve that in this video. So in the terminal, I am already inside my bench, and I have a site also, which is frappe.3317.online. Okay. Now here, I am just I just checked that my user group, which is YouTube, doesn't have a user which belongs to Nginx, which is www-data. So whenever you are creating any user, for example, Frappe user or YouTube user, so it will do two things. It will create a user and a group also for that particular user. So what we will do here, we will try to add a www-data user to this particular group. In my case, the user which is running the bench is YouTube. In your case, it can be Frappe or any other name. Okay. So what we will do, we will use sudo user mod command to add this, and then we will use -e and g. -e is for appending, so it will not the small a and capital G. So -a is for append, and it actually don't it we pass this so that it don't remove the user from the other group, and -g is just to specify the group name. So here, what we will do, we will add the www-data uh, to the YouTube group. So YouTube will be the group name and www-data. Okay. So now if I check this, now we have one user inside this particular group. Okay. And we'll do the bench build. Before that, let's try to check the site. If it is not working, then we will do the bench build. It will take some time because my server capacity is only to VCP core, so it might take some time. Again, we will try to access it. Still, it's not working because I think we need to restart the Nginx. So we'll use sudo systemctl restart Nginx service. Now see, it is working. Okay, now we have successfully resolved this asset issue, and yeah, thanks for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more Frappe related tutorials. Happy learning.